A chemist needs 10 liters of a 25% acid solution. The solution is to be mixed from 3 solutions whose concentrations are 10%, 20%, and 50%. So since we have 3 different solutions here, 10%, 20, and 50, we have a 3-variable system. Okay, so Part A is asking us to set up a system of equations to model the situation if the chemist wishes to use 2 liters of the 50% solution. Okay, so let's define our variables here. Let's let x equal the number of liters of the 10%, and let's y equal the number of liters of the 20%. And then finally, z can be the number of liters of the 50%. Okay? Now, I'm going to write an equation based on this 10 liters. The x, the y, and the z, once we pour them all together, that has to equal 10 liters. So the first equation is just x plus y plus z is equal to 10. Okay? And now we're going to use the fact that we wanted 25% acid solution to write the next one. And this is the equation that most people messed up on. So, whenever we're taking, say, 10% of something, this is 10 or 0.10, you don't have to write that extra 0, of x plus 0.2 of y. 20% of the amount that we pour in for y, and 0.5 of the z concentration should be equal to, and this is where a lot of people messed up. They wanted to say 0.25, but again, this is a percentage of something, and the something is 10. It's that original 10 liters right here. 25% of that 10 liters needs to be acid. Okay, and then our final equation comes from this sentence here, this last part of the sentence, 2 liters of the 50%. That's the z. So this is a very simple equation. Z is equal to 2. Okay, so this is our system of equations right here. Now the second part of this question is just simply asking us to solve the system and then interpret the solution within the context of the problem. So you're able to solve the system of equations any way you see fit, as long as that way is not cheating. Anyway, one of the easiest ways just to reduce row echelon form matrix with that first equation was 1x plus 1z plus, or 1y plus 1z is equal to 10. And the next one was 10% of the x, 20% of the y, 50% of the z is equal to 2.5. That was 25% of 10. And then the final one was 1z is equal to 2. Okay, whenever you put that into the calculator and reduce row echelon form, you get this. No, not that. Let's see, it's a 172. So these are our solutions. So the chemist needs to use 1 liter of the 10%, 7 liters of the 20%, and 2 liters of the 50% to make 10 liters of 25% acid solution. There you have it. There's the answer and the interpretation of it.